And welcome back. Now, former world 100-meter champion Azava Powell says, he was the patron at the 2017 staging of the CB Group UWI 5K run on Sunday at the Mona campus, where GC Foster College's Shane Archibald and Shanice Gordon emerged the respective male and female champions. In a close contest on the men's side, Archibald crossed the line in a 1-2-3 finish for GC Foster. He clocked 16 minutes and 11 seconds to finish ahead of Garfield Gordon, 16 minutes and 16 seconds. Daniel Glave was third.
He does cool on a little pace, but I thank God for the victory anyway.
Gordon was convincing in winning the female section in 21 minutes and 17 seconds ahead of her GC Foster teammate Kellyanne Beckford, 21 minutes and 55 seconds, and veteran Arietta Martin.
It was a bit difficult, but I had to just run at my own pace.
Meanwhile, principal of UWI Mona, Archibald McDonald, says the funds from the event remains a key aspect in providing for needy students on campus, including scholarships.
We're trying to help those who are marginalized, because you'd be surprised that even as we move forward, there are so many persons, so many people who still cannot afford to fund their education. And when we say fund, we're talking about tuition, accommodation, and believe it or not, even meals. So that is important. This event will help make a contribution towards helping those persons.
Meanwhile, Azava Powell was honored for his contribution to the sport. Over 5,000 participants turned out for Sunday's race.